Alright everyone, today we're unboxing and building this Tamiya submarine motor so I can motorize my battleships, because you've seen the videos of me with the battleships and the pools and the springs, and I do want to make sure the battleships can actually run. So I got this little engine for it, so let me cut it open real quick. So it's made in Japan, Tamiya, 2009. I wonder if this thing was made in 2009 or if it was like design. Hopefully it's designed not like super duper old. So looks like these are the two pieces for the motor. It's bright red, which is very important in case like I drop it in the pond so I can actually see it. It was like a rocket ship. Alright, anyways, this seems to be the cap. So you can stick it on the rubber cap, so you can stick it on things. So here's the little part assembly. Nice. Here is a disc. I'm not sure what this is. Here's the motor. I think that's some lubricant oil. There's the electric thing. And these are the instructions. Alright, so looks like I have to be doing some electrician work, huh? Cool. Alright, so the sticker seems like a one-time use thing. Yeah, it's a one-time use. I might have to use it a bit different. I might not use this sticker in this case. Yeah, whatever this means. No NH batteries, whatever. Alright, I'll get to building the thing now. So I guess this is the core of it, and then it's pressed down, it activates the motor. So when the cap is closed, which is pretty nice design. I did get the motor placement backwards on the first try, so I had to re-put it. But I also hope like whatever design is, it's not shorting the battery, because the battery's getting really hot. So yeah.